This video is sponsored by Sketchfab. Stick around to see how you can get all of these premium cool models for free and also join an amazing community that gives you opportunities to showcase your own work, buy, sell, and also preview your 3D content on the internet. As Sketchfab is the largest place on the internet where you can do all of these things as an artist. Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to Ask NK. This is another interesting episode of our weekly giveaway, and this week we have lots of cool stuff that you would want to hoard, grab, and use for your next project. So starting off, the folks at VFX Assets, they have some very nice assets that you would probably want to keep. So the first time we talked about the folks at VFX Assets, they were giving out the VDB high altitude cloud, and this is a very nice one. So for those who are looking for high altitude clouds, you can actually come through and get these, as these VDBs are really nice. And for those looking for more, there is this which has to do with 60 high altitude clouds that you can grab and start working with. Meanwhile, there is also a very crazy asset they're giving out right here. 48K Earth displacement map. For those who would like to do some very nice out of space stuff, this is all UDIM UV. Okay, so if you're feeling excited about this, you want high resolution, you need some very nice detail, maybe this is your kind of stuff, then you might consider coming through and taking a look at this. So this is quite crazy. And if you're also looking for, you know, the paid version, there's also the paid version right here, which is 172K, and this is also crazy. And for the paid version, this one comes with the 3D files, and for those who are excited about this, of course you can come through and grab this. Now with this said, let's dive over and talk about some very cool folks. So just in case you don't know, we already covered this one before, but it's more interesting now that it is open access. And what does this mean? Now the open access simply means that 3D assets, learning assets, 2D assets, you can grab all of the things that they have right here, which is specified under the open access media, and use them with CC0 licensing. And this simply means that you don't need to seek for permission for you to be able to use, reuse, transform, distribute, and also tweak these things to your liking. So for anyone who would like to get some very crazy and nice looking assets right here, these things are available for you. And simply going through them, you can see that they also have this Sketchfab-like feature, which means you can preview the assets directly on your browser. And for anyone who would like to download any of the assets, you can simply click on the download button, and this would give you an OBJ, give you a GLB, and at the same time, if you're also looking for that of the scale, you can also find them right here. And this is not the only, you know, thing that you can get, as if you go over here, you can also search for these things based on the museums that they exist. Okay, so you can search for them right here based off museums. You can also search based off topics, and you can go from mammal to animals, you know, mammalian, and you can also take a look at some Congress stuff and offices. Location is also something which is also very important. So for you to get some stuff in a certain location, you can also search for these things here. It's just very interesting to see that all of these assets that they've had, and you know, they've kept these assets for a very long time. It's nice to see that all of these things are now open access and you can start working with them. Developer tools are also here for those who are into development, and for those who are looking for some research papers, you can also find tons and tons of research papers right here. Now with this said, let's dive over to QBrush. So this week QBrush is giving out some very nice stuff. So some of the things that we're having from QBrush this week consists of one from Glen. So for those doing 3D printing, there's a 3D print height guide that is now here, so you can go ahead and download this right now, as it's an OBJ file, and this is made available by Glen. So Glen Patterson also has a couple of things on his page which you can also get for free, so you can actually take a look at some of the things that he has right here. Maybe you're looking for ZBrush UI, you're looking for some, you know, quick horns, or maybe you're looking for a Gribble skull. You can find some very nice stuff right here on his page. I kind of like the spider, which is really nice. So you can see tons of cool free stuff that Glen has to give out, so you can actually come through and grab that. Now with this said, we are also going to take a look at something else that is for free, and this has to do with 3 free chain IMM brushes that you can get, and this is also available as OBJ files, and you can also get them as brushes that you can work with. And with that said, we'll also take a look at Amin, as Amin is also issuing out one of his very nice models which he has finished up, and this is the brown living room. This is not the first time we're seeing Amin give out some things for free, as Amin has actually given out some of his very nice stuff like the gray kitchen. So he has given out the gray kitchen for free before, And yeah, he also gave out the study room for free as well some time ago. So for anyone looking for, you're looking for a set which you want to do a very short animation with, or maybe you're looking for a set piece which you can add up to your storytelling, you can also grab these ones and get started with it. So with that said as well, we're also seeing that Momadesh is also giving out the Nina wingback bed, and this is actually something that those in the architectural visualization field, or maybe those who are looking for assets that they can throw into their scene, can come through and grab. Although the native file for this is 3D Studio Max, but this is also being offered as an OBJ file, so you can come through and grab this one. Meanwhile, for those who are looking for materials, there is actually a very nice looking Substance Designer material which deals with rock formation that is available. So Juan Pablo is also giving out this one for free. He also has a couple of things on his page, but right now this in its sense is supposed to be for free. So once you click on this button and go right there, you can grab this one for free. So you need to go with the links in the description for you to get them. Now, and one thing about QBrush is you need to come through and get it before it expires, because this actually gets a limit, and once it's gone past that limit for the day, you have to wait till the next day for you to get this. Now, speaking about things that you can also get for free, we also have this from Oleski. Oleski is giving out these nice 2D assets which deals with 6K textures of free foliage atlases. This comes as several texture types which includes albedo and opacity, normal, height, and also SSS. So you can also come through and grab this one and get it for free. And for those looking for more stuff that you can get for free with Oleski, there are tons of stuff, all right? So there are tons of cool 2D stuff that you can get. And this is a lot. There is a lot of free stuff you could see, like free. There's a lot of free stuff that you can grab right here. So links to this as well is also going to be in the description, so do well to check these things out. So with this said, let's talk about ArtStation pick for the week. So this week there are some very interesting stuff you can get from ArtStation right now. If we simply go over to ArtStation, we're going to start up with Evgenia. So Evgenia is a wonderful, marvelous designer, creator, and this is high quality stuff. You're not going to get only the marvelous designer file, you would also get a cool render and also a Photoshop artwork. So for those looking for this, you want to get marvelous designer stuff. This is high quality stuff. Let's actually take a look at a page, and you can see that there are, there's just amazing high quality things that you can see right here. Take a look at this. This is a beautiful, very nice, and they are all having a discount right now. So normally these are supposed to be like $2, but she's giving all of them out for $1. And you can see these things. They're very nice, and that testifies to how much quality you're going to be getting for free stuff that she's giving out right now. So you can get that file for free. I'm going to put a link in the description, and she's also giving the tactical male outfit for free as well. So let's take a look at that as well, and you can see this is also very nice, and this is also coming. All right, so if you're getting this for free, you're getting the ZBrush file, the OBJ, and also the Keyshot file as well. So for those who are looking for nice and lovely high quality marvelous designer files, and also high quality marvelous designer assets, you will definitely find this one very rewarding. Now with this said, let's take a look at something else. So someone else who is also giving something high quality and that deals with military tactical stuff is Vladimir. So Vladimir is giving out this military tactical patch IMM brushes which you can work with, and these are high quality ones as well. So you can see these things, very nice, very clean. Topology looks good. Take a look at this topology. This is pretty insane, very nice looking stuff. And the beautiful thing is you can grab all of these things as either OBJ and FBX files, and for those working with ZBrush, you can also get the ZBrush versions and start working with it. So you can see these beautiful things are here, so you can grab them for free by simply going over here and clicking on that button. So I'm also going to link this in the description so you guys can take a look at that. Meanwhile, Rodesk is giving out a free female base model. So for those looking for base model, you're looking for some nice stuff, this is a very high quality one, and this is really good. You can Rodesk on the other hand also does have a lot of cool stuff. So let's take a look at Rodesk and see. So there is this nice cute anime head that you can grab for free as well. So we've talked about Rodesk before, but that was on QBrush, but we see that there are some very nice and brilliant stuff that you can get on ArtStation right here. And this is also a base head. Okay, this is a stylized base head, and this is for Blender. So for those working with Blender, you can come steal this one for free as well. And we have this as well. So there are some very nice stylized stuff pretty nice things that you can get right here, and you can grab most of these things for free. So Alexander is giving this one out for free as well, and you can grab these for those who are looking for spaceship. You know, you might want to grab these ones and play with them. These are also some nice stuff, especially if you want to use them to extend your sets, or maybe you would like to use these things as background assets or maybe as hero assets. This is also pretty cool. So if we go over to Alexander's page, you would also find more assets. Okay, this is very beautiful. So there are more and more assets that you can grab, free assets by the way. So you're looking for some Battletech cargo truck, nice one, you can get that here. You're looking for some spaceship, you're looking for some stormtrooper, you know, some cool stuff are here. So take a look at these, see which of them interests you, and you can grab them. High quality stuff for the week. And something else which is extremely high quality is the Gladiator character model, which is fully textured by the way. All right, so you can see this one. Okay, highly textured. I love this. So you might consider grabbing this. I'm actually going to put these as things I would like to keep, so I can, you know, preview these and play with it later on. So you can grab these ones and you can see how lovely this is. So enough 3D stuff talked about. Let's take a look at one 2D asset, and this is going to be very beneficial for those who would like to do some sculpting, those who like to do some texturing, and regardless of what platform you're working with or what app you're working with, this might come in very handy. And I'm talking about nothing more than this nice 50+ alpha mega pack that you can use for both ZBrush, Substance, and also Photoshop. And at the same time, since you can load alphas into Blender, you can also load alphas into this. All of these things are 2K maps, all right? 2K maps. You can come through and grab all of this. So for those who are looking for the free ones, you can come here and can grab the free ones, and the free one is 120. So this is a lot. You can grab this. So you're looking for things that has to do with fabric, leather, metal, wood, foils, rock, armor, damage, abstract. Awesome. All right, awesome. You can come grab these things and start working with them. These are beautiful, cool stuff for those who are interested in playing with 2D textures. So lovely stuff, pretty cool stuff for today, and this is more like it. But before we go, let's give a very big shout out to the folks at Sketchfab. So Sketchfab is a beautiful place on the internet where you can buy, sell, preview, and also download your 3D model. So you're an artist and you're looking for ways that you can get 3D models for free, simply go over to Sketchfab, go over to Explore, and go to Downloadables, and right there you will be able to download tons of free content. So popping over to Downloadables, you can see tons of lovely contents. Every week you get to see a mad rush of contents coming right in here, and you can download these things and play with them totally for free. And if you're an artist and you would like to sell your own 3D models, you can also put them right here on Sketchfab, and anyone who comes over to Sketchfab will be able to preview this model. All right, preview the model, confirm that the model is cool, see that it fits what they're looking for, and they can simply make a purchase. But then there's also something very interesting about Sketchfab that they do all the time. Almost every week or every 2 weeks, there is always a challenge for artists, and this is also something that's going on right now. So the folks at Sketchfab are doing a Fantasy Island January challenge. So if you're into challenges, you want to join this one, you can actually come through and take a look at this, and this has a certain number of rules. So for those who like to join this, I'm going to put a link in the description where you can get it. It has a couple of prizes to be won, and at the same time there are terms and conditions that you need to stick by. So that's definitely going to be about it. Tons of cool stuff for this week, so simply go over to the link in the description, grab all of these things, take as much as you can, and keep them for yourself. And that's it. For those who like to join the Discord, those who like to support me on Patreon, and for those who like to hit me up on any of the social media handles, link is going to be in the description as well, so you can do well to do all of those. And of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give it a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And if you're new here, it's going to be amazing for you to hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications so that you don't miss the next video or the next update. And until I see you guys again with a tutorial update, Free Friday, Tutorial Tuesday, tips and tricks, things like this. Peace.